Have you ever seen a computer outside your home? Where do you think they might be? Let's explore together.
Hello everyone, I'm Tichi, your friendly robot. Computers are everywhere. Let's go on a fun journey with Jugnu to find them.
I love exploring. Let's go.
First stop a school.
Students are using computers to learn and explore new ideas.
Computers help students read, write, and solve puzzles.
Do you use a computer in school?
Now, let's visit a bank. Employees use computers to manage money and accounts.
Computers keep money safe and organized.
Counting money without a computer would take forever.
Next stop a restaurant.
The waiter is using a computer to take orders and send them to the kitchen.
Computers help chefs prepare the right food quickly.
What's your favorite meal?
Let's visit an office. Computers help with emails, meetings, and designing products.
Without computers, office work would be much slower.
Do you know someone who works in an office?
At the airport, computers help with tickets, flight schedules, and guiding planes.
Imagine an airport without computers. Chaos.
Have you seen digital flight boards?
At the mall, cashiers use computers to scan items and print bills.
Computers track everything you buy.
Did you notice the computer on your last shopping trip?
Wow! We found computers in schools, banks, restaurants, offices, airports, and malls.
Where else do you think computers might be?
Keep looking. Computers are everywhere.